Hi guys, it's Bonnie here from Three Birds Renovations, and I'm here at my forever home and I'm watching my Monier roof go on, and it's friggin' exciting.
Very exciting.
I wanted a modern take on a traditional shingles roof.
And you wanted it to be durable because you are in the elements out here, like.
Yeah. My last roof got destroyed by hail.
Yeah, I remember. I got that call.
I was flooded for weeks and weeks. It was horrendous. So yeah, look, it needed to be durable and it needed to be something that I didn't have to worry about.
And so you've got the Monier elemental tile here.
I do.
We're going to do a demo.
We've never done a demo.
I know, I like it. I like
Alright,
it.
you ready?
We found a cricket ball and we're just going to do a scientific demonstration.
Oh yeah!
All right, your turn. Oh yeah!
Yeah.
And look at this.
Oh, nothing.
She's sweet, man.
She is
Well, that's what you
sweet.
need for the hail. So, Bon,
Yes.
even though you're doing a modern barn look, I know you also want that coastal look.
Oh, I do. The whole house is based around bringing the water to the hills.
Yeah, because it's nowhere near here.
But that doesn't mean you can't create a beautiful, coastal vibe anywhere. You can.
And the thing is, not only does it create the coastal look,
Yes.
but it's rust proof. And
Yes.
usually when you've got to choose, a tin roof or something that's not a tile, you can't choose something that isn't going to rust, but now you can. So we've chosen this colour.
Yep.
It's not white.
No, it's slightly off-white. For me, it just absolutely oozes coastal charm.
It's called Salt Spray. What's the overall colour theme for this house?
Light, bright, and white.
So Bon, your home is finished.
It has that look and feel that I wanted, like, the shingles and the white, creating that coastal kind of barn feel. I just love it.
Oh, it's more beautiful than I could have expected it to be. It's amazing. Good job. So guys, head to the Monier website and check out the Elemental range.